So my people, the first thing we do here is to add paprika and black pepper to our chicken. It is important to season it perfectly for the best results. And then we add a little flour and 1 egg. It is enough to help our chicken stick together and keep it soft when we cook it.
And last ingredients, my people, we add chicken masala and a little salt for taste.
So my people, all these ingredients will help us make a wonderful and tasty chicken.
Next, we mix the chicken with all the ingredients using our hands until everything is well combined. Wow, my people. Now look at our beautifully marinated and well-coated chicken. Just wow. Wow, it looks so good. I almost want to eat it raw. Just kidding. It just looks too good. So after marinating, we have to let it rest for a few minutes so the spices can go deep into the chicken and make it more flavorful. This step is important because it makes the chicken more tasty and juicy, so don't cook the chicken immediately after marinating. Wow, we finished marinating our chicken, but don't go yet. I have another secret about marination you don't want to miss. Stay and watch. So my people, let me show you something special you can use to marinate chicken your own way. There are many ingredients I didn't use, like vinegar, yogurt, lemon, ginger, chili, and so on, but you can choose whatever you like for your own taste. The most important thing is to make sure every piece of chicken is fully coated with the spices for the best flavor, just like we've done here in my kitchen. But I recommend you try my ingredients because they really work. Try it one day, I know you'll thank me later. So my people, everything I told you today is about marinating chicken. That's how we prepare it perfectly. Try it at home in your own way, but I still recommend my ingredients.
Thanks for watching Tasty Tips Kitchen today. We truly appreciate you taking the time to join us today, so please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. See you next time where I will show you how to cook our marinated chicken properly, so don't miss the final result. See you soon, my family. I love you so much.